I wanted to take a couple seconds to introduce this concept, the way we're going to do these lessons. So we're going to start in stages. GameMaker is a very large program. There's a lot to know, and we're not going to try to know it all up front. I want you to be able to teach some students some basic things in GameMaker and then have them start producing awesome content right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening up a new document, and we're going to get into the sprite editor first. And this sprite editor could be an entire lesson on its own. You could actually use this for art class. You could do some really amazing things in the sprite editor, and you're going to find some students just take this to the moon, and others do more simple things like my cheesy rocket that I just drew real quick. From there, what you're going to do, though, is we're going to teach them how to start coding that object and start really making it do things. We're going to use events. They'll sort of learn the if-then sort of scenario. When an event happens, then something else happens, that type of thing. And it's all kind of I do, we do, they do. So the idea is that you're going to show them these key skills. Then you're going to work on a project that's very similar with them, and then the idea is to set them loose on this project and see what their imaginations can come up with. You're going to find they're going to make some amazing sprites. They're going to tie some events to it that are going to make that sprite do some really crazy fun things on the screen, and it really naturally just sort of differentiates itself. So you'll have some students give you the bare minimum, and you're going to have some students that are just like, you'll have to pry them away from the computer because they're going to be so excited about this. So I'm really excited about the lesson. Let's go ahead and get started.